Kamusta mga balibulista? Wagi ang DLA Sugren Spikers kontra sa UE Red Warriors 25-14, 25-20, 31-29. Best player of the game si Vince Maglinaw matapos nagtala ng 16 points mula sa 13 attacks, 2 blocks at 1 ace. Pinataob naman ng Inyo Bulldogs ang FEU Tamaraws 25-22, 21-25, 25-14, 23-25, 18-16. Best player of the game si Jed Disquitado sa likod ng kanyang 29 points mula sa 24 attacks, 1 block, 4 aces at may kasamang 23 excellent receptions. Tinanghal naman na best player of the week si Joshua Ritamar mula February 28 to March 3, 2024 matapos nakapagtala ng 31 excellent sets at 2 blocks kontra sa Adamson Soaring Falcons. Humakot naman ng 12 points mula sa 3 attacks, 3 blocks, 6 aces at may kasamang 20 excellent sets kontra sa UP Fighting Marons. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, tinalo ng DLA Lady Spikers ang UE Lady Warriors 25-21, 25-18, 25-10. Best player of the game si Angel Canino sa likod ng kanyang 17 points mula sa 16 attacks, 1 block at may kasamang 9 excellent digs at 7 excellent receptions. Pinadapa naman ng Inyo Lady Bulldogs ang FEU Lady Tamaraws 25-17, 13-25, 25-17, 25-20. Best player of the game si Abigail Pono sa likod ng kanyang 2 blocks at may kasamang 7 excellent sets. Naging player of the week naman si Cassie Carvalho mula February 28 hanggang March 3, 2024 matapos umakot ng 8 points mula sa 3 attacks at 5 aces na may kasamang 25 excellent sets kontra sa FEU Lady Tamaraws. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of March 6, 2024. FEU Tamaraws 4 wins 1 loss, DLA Sugren Spikers 4 wins 1 loss, Inyo Bulldogs 4 wins 1 loss, UST Golden Spikers 2 wins 2 losses, Ateneo Blue Eagles 2 wins 2 losses, Adamson Soaring Falcons 2 wins 2 losses, UP Fighting Marons 0 win 4 losses, UE Red Warriors 0 win 5 losses. Heto naman ang team standing sa Women's Division as of March 6, 2024. UST Golden Tigresses 4 wins 0 loss, DLSU Lady Spikers 4 wins 1 loss, NU Lady Bulldogs 4 wins 1 loss, Adamson Lady Falcons 2 wins 2 losses, FEU Lady Tamaraws 2 wins 3 losses, Ateneo Lady Eagles 1 win 3 losses, UE Lady Warriors 1 win 4 losses, UP Lady Marons 0 win 4 losses. Heto naman ang mga laro ngayong March 9, 2024 nagaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Maghaharap ang UST Golden Spikers at Ateneo Blue Eagles alas 10 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang Adamson Soaring Falcons at FEU Tamaraws alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Women's Division, magtutos ang UST Golden Tigresses at Ateneo Lady Eagles alas 2 ng hapon. Kakalabanin naman ng Adamson Lady Falcons ang FEU Lady Tamaraws alas 4 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.